It's in the bag. Do you want to hold the hammer as well? We'll do it together and don't mind your fingers. Ready? Let me see if it's actually done anything. Wow, these are hard geos. Nope. Might need a little bit of extra force, so imagine with the hand.
Dad?
Hammer.
No, I think Dad can do it. Because he's stronger.
Easy.
He can do
Let's
it.
have one more go. See if we can do it.
Dad? Can you do it?
The last one down.
You have to bash it in the bag.
Safety first, safety first, put the glasses on.
There you go. Open. Have a look at your gem bag.
I think he did it. Wow.
Oh, look what's inside!
Let's see.
Crystal, now we can look at it through the magnifying glass.
What you got there?
Let's do that again.
So cool.
Put another one in there.
What colour crystal is it?
That's glass.
It looks like grass.
I think it's quartz.
Can you say
I
quartz?
think that one's
Quartz.
quartz.
Do you know what letter quartz starts with?
No.
Q. Q.
Mind your eyes.
Safety first.
Oh yeah. Dad!
Dad!
Brandon, do you want to have a go? Glasses?
Put the glasses on.
Just put a bag.
Yeah, just try and break it in the middle. So that
Okay,
you
let's just have a look at it.
Come on, just crack it.
Get in there.
it's rock, you know? It's
There is a
hard
rock.
stuff.
You have a brick. Put a brick
It's
under
not
it.
a hammer.
No, I mean a brick for underneath it.
The fourth. No, I don't have a brick.
Deal with it.
Dad!
Mind your fingers.
No, should have cracked it. No, you need a brick under it. Wood's not going to hold much.
No, you need Dad! Safety glasses! To Dad!
Sorry, you're right. Look for a hard surface, not a table. Here we go.
Yay!
Very
See
good.
what's in the bag.
I think he did it.
Here it is.
No.
Hey, dear, do the house in there. Look.
Use the magnifying glass. What can you see?
What's in there?
Do you think we should crack this one?
That one's already cracked. Look. Can you see? You see all the crystals?
Let's do that. That one is soft.